Hi children, welcome back to online class. Everybody are safe at home? Yes. Shall we move on to the lesson today? Today we are going to learn how to write a letter. Previously we learned how to write a paragraph. Now today we are going to learn how to write a letter. Okay. Now do you remember how people communicate in olden days? Now present we have cell phones. We used to contact the person who's abroad. Through Skype we can see the person face to face. We can talk with them. We can send messages through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. So all these things we are using nowadays. But what happened in those days? In those days the science technology was not that much. Okay, so how people communicated when God created the person, man. Okay, slowly the people started communicating. Firstly, they started communicating with the sounds. And slowly after that what happened, the people started, when we had kings and queens that time, they started communicating with others through dove. They used to tie a small paper, like they used to write something in that, and they will send the message to others. Okay, and slowly what happened, they had the knights were carrying the messages like straw. So they used to send messages like that. And after that, slowly what happened, we had letters. Okay, so what happened, the people started writing the letters. The message they write in the letter, they post it to the person. Okay, so the particular person will receive the letter. And after that we also had a telegram. So telegram is something which is where we just type the message in a short way. Okay, the telegram, the message will be very short and clear. Okay, so all those things we followed to communicate with each other. Okay, now today we are going to learn how to write a letter. Okay, whenever we ask you to write a leave letter, how much you struggle to write a leave letter. Now today there is a solution for everything. I am going to teach you the format of how to write a letter. Okay children, then after you watch this video, then you will know how to write a letter. You will learn how to write a letter without others' help. Okay, let's move on to the lesson now. Now today, in today's lesson, we are going to learn three things. Okay, now first one is, we are going to learn what is a letter. The answer already I have given. Okay, next thing is, types of letters we are going to learn. How many types of letters are there? Third one is, we are going to learn the format. Okay, there is a format for writing a letter. Okay, so three things we are going to learn. What are they? First thing is, we are going to learn what is a letter. Second one, we are going to learn how many types of letters are there. The third one is, we are going to learn the format of writing a letter. Are you ready? Let's move on to the lesson now. Okay, now what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person. Okay, again I repeat, a letter is a written message. Nowadays we just type the message in the mobile phone. Okay, letter is where we used to write messages. We write messages to others. Okay, so what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person. Okay, now let's see what are the types of letter we have. There are two types of letter. Okay, the first one is formal letter. What is this formal letter? Formal letter is an official letter. For a business purpose we write this letter. For a professional purpose we write this letter. Okay, what is a business purpose? What is a professional purpose? Suppose I want to apply for a job. I want to take a leave. I want to thank someone. Okay, for all these purpose, we write formal letter. In formal letter, the language should be very simple. Okay, don't use all those hard words and everything. The language should be very simple when we write a formal letter. What is informal letter is? Informal letter is a friendly letter. We have friends, we have relatives. So when we write letters to friends or relatives, it's called informal letter for personal communication. If I want to share something personally to my friend or to my relative, I will use informal letter. I will write an informal letter. Okay, and here the informal letter should be in a casual or emotional tone. Okay, sometimes when we will write like how are you, how is your family, so all those emotional tone we write, we miss you, so all those things we use in our informal letter, but we cannot write it in an informal letter, all those emotional tone. Okay, so remember there are two types of letter, formal and informal. Formal is a business letter, we will write for a business purpose, and informal letter we write for to our personal communication, to our friends or relatives. Okay, now let's learn the format of writing a formal letter. Okay, now today's lesson we are going to learn only one letter. We are going to concentrate on only one letter, that is formal letter. Okay, forget about informal letter. Informal letter I will teach you later, but today we are going to learn only the formal letter, the format of writing a formal letter. The first thing I am going to show you the steps to be followed in writing a formal letter. Okay, the first one is sender's detail. See, can you see? The sender's detail should have a name and address. Okay, sender's address is, who's the sender here? Suppose I am writing a letter. I am the sender. So, I will write my name and my address in the sender's detail. Next comes the date. In the date, can you see this is a format of writing the date. Don't write, usually we write in our classwork and all. Okay, so can you see the format here? 26th January 2020. Can you see this? They have written the month in words. You have to follow this format when you write the date in a letter. Okay, next comes the receiver's detail. What is the receiver? Who's the receiver here? Suppose I am writing a letter to my manager or to the principal. So principal is the receiver here. So I have to write here the principal's name or designation. What is the designation is? The designation is something that tells the post, the particular post the person is. Okay, so name and address in the receiver detail. And then the salutation. Salutation is something we greet. We greet the person. We used to use dear sir or madam. We can also use respected sir or madam. Okay. Then comes the subject. Subject is what the letter is about. Okay. For example, if I am applying a job for a teacher. Okay. So my subject will be applying for the post of a teacher. So that is my subject. Okay, so your subject should tells you what the letter is about. Next comes the body of the letter. Body of the letter is divided into three parts. I will show you in the next slide. What are the three parts? Actual message we have to write in the body of the letter. And then comes the complimentary clause. Complimentary clauses where after we write the letter, we will close the letter by saying yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Yes, this is the formal word we use when we write a formal letter. Okay, at last we have to say a thanking you. After thanking you only you have to write your name and sign. Okay children, So again I repeat, these are the 8 steps you have to follow in writing a formal letter. The first one is sender's detail. Next one is the date. Third one, receiver's detail, salutation, subject, body of the letter, complimentary clause, at last name and sign. Okay. Now, let's see. I told you, no, the body of the letter is divided into 3 parts. Okay. Now, let's see what are the 3 parts here. The first one is introduction. Purpose of the letter. For what purpose I am writing this letter? You have to write it in a 2 or 3 lines enough. Okay. So, this is the introduction part. Next comes the main content. Main content is where we write all the details, information. Okay. All the informations will be write in detail in the main content. Next comes the summary. Summary is last we will close the letter. Okay. We will close the letter with 2 lines. Right? So, this is the 3 parts of body of the letter. First one is introduction. Second one is main content. Third one is the summary. Okay. Now, let's see the format again. Can you see? I have numbered the steps in order. Okay. So, don't miss or don't replace or rearrange the order. Okay. So, it goes like this. The first one is sender's detail. This is the first one. Second one is the date. Third one is the receiver's detail. Fourth one is the salutation. Fifth one is the subject. Sixth is the body of the letter. Seventh one is the complimentary clause. The last one is the designation. That is your name or sign. So, this is the format of writing the formal letter. Okay. I hope you have understood how to write a letter, children. Now, here I have given you a question. Okay. Now, in this, you can see, you can take this question as an assignment. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. Now, think to whom I should write this letter. Okay. It's given clearly in the question. To the editor of a newspaper. Now, who's the sender here? Suppose I am writing the letter to the editor. I am the sender. I will write the date, today's date. What is today's date is? For example, if I take 13th October 2020. So, this is the way I should write my date in the letter. And then comes the receiver. Okay, here, who is the receiver? The editor of the newspaper. So, I will write the editor of the newspaper. I can also write the newspaper name in the receiver's address. Then comes the subject. What is the subject here? Bad condition of roads in my locality. That is the subject. I told you the subject is the what the letter is about. Then comes the body of the letter. Body of the letter is divided into 3 parts. Introduction, main content and summary. So, I will write all those things in my body of the letter, and after that I will say thanking you. Then I will close my letter with the complimentary words like yours faithfully or yours sincerely. So, all those things I will add in my closing the letter, and then I will just sign or write my name. Okay, so this is the way you have to write the formal letter. Okay, children, now you can take out your classwork and write a letter for the given question here. Can you see the question in my screen? Okay, so you write the question, write the letter for this question in your classwork, children. Okay, now next one is, can you see the format, how to write a letter? I have taken all those steps one by one. I have shown you here. So here all the steps will come as everything will be in the left side. Okay, nothing will go to the right side of the letter. Okay, so can you see the sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, then subject, body of the letter, then closing. So all those things comes to the left side. Okay, left side of the page. Okay, use only the left side to write the letter. Okay, this is the sender's address and this one is the date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, body, complimentary, the closing, and then the signature. Okay children, I hope you have understood how to write the formal letter. After watching this video children, please take up the worksheet and also play quizzes. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Stay safe.